Chloe, I thought you will tell a story to Nina. Huh? I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Ba.
Tinang,
Yes.
what do you do? I will buy a fish.
You don't have money.
I have money.
That's not a real money.
I said it's money.
No, it's a fake one.
I said it's money.
No, it's not. You cannot buy.
I want to buy Polly parrots.
Oh,
They are mommy. Oh, I have mommy. I want to buy a fish. I want to buy a fish. I want to buy. No.
what?
Ah, yes, the Polly parrot. Can we buy Polly parrot?
Okay. What else?
Can we buy zebra?
What else?
What you doing?
Whale?
Okay.
How about a fish?
Okay.
I want to buy
What's that?
Polly parrot. You want to buy the fish?
Fish? How much the fish?
Say fish.
Fish.
Polly parrot.
Polly parrots. And what about this one?
Zebra.
Is that zebra? How come you know this is zebra? Same like Ninang
That's
cell phone,
like
you see?
money.
You see? Zebra same like Ninang cell phone?
Yeah, like this.
No, so this is cell phone, not the zebra.
Yeah, like this.
Like that one. Well, how much is that?
Like that.
Yeah, like that.
Zebra. I will buy.
How much is that?
I will